is she wearing a dress over a jeans? Now, the question is if it's going to work in real life. Hi guys, welcome back to my wardrobe. Welcome back to Demi's wardrobe. In today's video, I am going to be recreating another outfit, but not just any outfit. I saw this look on Instagram and I thought, is she wearing a dress over a jeans? Or is it my eyes? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the look here, right? Doesn't that look like a baby doll dress that she's wearing over the jeans? There goes another way for me to wear my pieces multiple different ways. I am trying this look because I truly love how it came out and how she styled this look. Now, listen, you tell me though, before I step out of my house wearing this combination, put it down in the comment section. When I show you the entire outfit, put it down in the comment section to let me know if it's a yay or nay. When she wears it, it looks really good to me. I think the outfit is amazing. Now, the question is if it's going to work in real life. I don't have an orangey yellow top that she got on, but I have a baby doll dress because I think that's what she's wearing over the jeans. So let's get into it. Let's get started. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what I'm going to be wearing, so let me show you what it is. So I have this baby doll dress here from this brand called Nia, N-I-A. That's what they're called. It is, I'm going to be going with a white one. And matter of fact, you know what? I do like the outfit because this baby doll dress is a little bit short for me, okay? So if I can actually wear it with a little bit of jeans and make a look out of it, I'm most definitely doing that. If it works, okay? So you let me know down in the comments if it actually works. So I'm going to be going with this baby doll dress here. And I also already got my makeup on it, so yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, okay? I already got makeup on it. But again, it is from the brand called Nia. This is how it looks like. Let me just show you. At this point, it could literally serve as a top because of how small it is. Okay, so I'm going to be going with this. Now for the bottom, she was wearing jeans, and the jeans here is folded at the bottom, so I'm going to be doing the exact same thing here as well. So I'm going to go in here with this jeans. The jeans felt like a straight leg, like more of a relaxed look, so this is one I'm going to be opting for. Now, she wasn't really wearing any shoes or anything like that, so as we always do, what do we always do? Can I hear it? Accessorize. Okay, girl? Accessorize. That's what we're going to do today. So we're going to accessorize around the outfit. So let me go ahead. I'm going to put the outfit on and then I'm going to accessorize around it. So be right back. I have, you know, the outfit is there. I have the baby doll dress on and I have the jeans on already. It is different. It is most definitely different, but we're trying something new. We'll see if it works or not. Like I said, you let me know down in the comments if it works or if it doesn't work. So now, before you even make your decision, let me go ahead and let me accessorize. Stay with me here a little bit. I'm going to be adding here this bag just to keep up with the theme of what I'm trying to go for. I'm strolling. I'm gonna be doing like a city stroll, a city vibe. So I'm gonna be going with this bag here. I believe you guys already seen this one before. This one here is from Topshop. So I'm gonna stick with the vibe that I'm going for today. So which is just very much like casual, relaxed, but a little bit of a oomph. Now I'm not gonna add any necklace, or maybe I should. Should I add a necklace? No, I'm going to not add it because I already have these earrings on already, so I'm going not to do that. But for shoes though, I'm going to be sticking with the sandals here. You've seen them multiple times. It is the most comfiest shoes I've owned, and I will be putting this on. So this is what I'm going to be putting on today. Okay, now I think I want to add is sunglasses just to tie in the black and brown on that shoes. And I'm going to go with this. Okay, and like I mentioned here, this bag just to tie everything together. So I have the final look. I have here this jeans is from the Gap. I have this baby doll dress. It is a dress, but it's short now. I mean, you know, I've wore it multiple times. It's either shrunk a little bit, so it is short. So when I saw that picture, and I thought, huh, I can most definitely wear this baby doll dress because I actually do like it, but I just didn't feel comfortable wearing it as a dress because it did shrink a little bit. So I thought, what better way to do what she did by adding jeans to it. So this is a baby doll dress for this look. Then I have this bag and I added here the glasses, and I am ready to take on the city. Again, a great example of how you can re-wear your clothes or change and switch and try something different. And that's what I like about fashion. The thing that I like about fashion is that you can experiment. You don't have to stick to one thing and done. You can always experiment, try something new, see if it works, if it doesn't work. You know, this is what fashion is about. You see what's out there, you recreate it, you try your thing and see what works. And if it works, then it's a look. And if it doesn't, next time you know, I was like, you know what? Maybe this look is not for me. Let's move on. And that's what it is about fashion. That's the beauty of fashion. You try, always try to see what works and so on. If it doesn't work, you know not to do it again. It's as simple as that. Now, with this look, I like this look, okay? But you guys let me know down in the comments, right? Can I be walking down the streets of Toronto in this look? Or do you think, you know what, Dami, let's live this one at home. Let's live this one at home. That is the final look. Let me know how you're feeling about this look down in the comments down below. Do you think it actually truly works? Is it something that you can wear out and about? Or do you think it's, you know, it's a little off? Like, whatever you think, let me know down in the comments down below. But that is it for me. If you enjoyed today's look, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button. Give your girl a little like, give your girl a little comment, give your girl a little subscribe. But until next time, I will see you in my